So next question is the 14 questions of 6B exercise. The question is minus 3 upon 5 s square t multiplied with 15 by 7 s t square u into 7 by 9 s u square. Okay, so similar, we multiply first two terms. Okay, so the first, here the sign is negative, here the sign is positive, so plus minus is minus sign. Then we multiply constant number 3 by 5 into 15 by 7. Okay, now here the like term is s, here s to power 2, so we write s power 2 into, here s raised to power is nothing, so we take 1, so s raised to power 1 here. And now next variable is t, so we take t raised to power 1 into, here the t raised to power 2, so t raised to power 2 we take. And the next variable here u नहीं है यहाँ पे, here the u is the variable, so we take u raised to power 1. Okay, so now we multiply this, here 7 5 3 is 15, so this is minus 3 3 is 9 upon 7, and this s raised to power 2 and s raised to power 1 is s raised to power 3, t raised to power 1 plus 2 3, and u raised to power 1. Now this is the answer of this two terms when we multiply. Now we take the third, 7 by 9 multiply with this 7 by 9 s raised to power 1 and u raised to power 2. So we multiply both, here plus minus minus sign, so we take minus, so next 9 by 7 constant multiply with 7 by 9 and t s raised to power 3 here, and here s raised to power 1. This is right in bracket. Next variable is t, so we take t raised to power 3 and here nothing t, so we t is a single रहेगा यहाँ पे, here u raised to power 1, here u raised to power 2. So the answer is 9 7 7 cancel, 9 9 cancel, negative sign, minus 1 means we take minus, nothing like minus 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So s raised to power 3 और 1 हो गया s raised to power 4 and t raised to power 3 and u raised to power 1 or 2 u raised to power 3. So this is the answers of this question number 14. Minus s4 t cube u cube. Okay, so उसके बाद 15 करेंगे. 15 में हम पहले दो टर्म्स जो हैं इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो माइनस माइनस हो गया साइन, प्लस का साइन आ जाएगा. ठीक है, कांस्टेंट मल्टीप्लाई करो 2 by 7 into 14 by 5. नेक्स्ट टेक द वेरिएबल u फर्स्ट, so here write u raised to power 4 into, here the u raised to power 1 in next term. Again the next is v is the variable, so we take v raised to power 1 into v raised to power 3. So the answer is 7 to the 14 cancel, so 2 to the 4 upon 5 u raised to power 5, 4 plus 1 power, then v raised to power 1 and 3, then v raised to power 4. Okay, so this is the answer when we multiply this one and this one. And next इसको multiply करेंगे अब इसके साथ, we write here minus 3 by 4 u raised to power 2 into v raised to power 3. Constants को multiply, sign here plus minus minus sign, then 4 by 5 multiply with 3 by 4, then u raised to power 5, u raised to power 5, this is multiply with this u raised to power 2. Okay, next v raised to power 4 into v raised to power 3. So the 4 cancel, then minus 3 upon 5 is left. Here u raised to power 5 and 2, so we take u raised to power 7, and here v raised to power is 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is the answers question number 15. Okay, so next question 16 करेंगे. 16 question is here the 4 terms है, तो 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है हमने. सो फर्स्ट इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे पहले, फिर इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. पहले इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर आएगा उसको फिर इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके जो आंसर आएगा उन दोनों को फिर लास्ट में कर देंगे. तो पहले इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो है माइनस और प्लस, नेगेटिव साइन प्लस माइनस साइन आ जाएगा. हेयर a raised to power 1 है, so we write a, and here b raised to power 2 and here b raised to power 2. So b raised to power 2 और b raised to power 2, तो b raised to power 4 हो जाएगा. डायरेक्ट लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद c raised to power 1 is left. Okay, when we multiply this and this, then we get this answer. and now we multiply this one both. Here we write the multiplication sign, and this here the sign is minus, here is minus, minus minus plus, then a raised to power 2 and a raised to power 1. First we multiply, the constant number here is 3, here 1, so we write 3 positive, and इसको ब्रैकेट में लिख लेते हैं, इसको भी ब्रैकेट में. So a raised to power 2 and a raised to power 1 is a raised to power 2 plus 1, 3 हो जाएगी पावर. c raised to power 3, c raised to power 1, so c raised to power हमारा हो जाएगा 4. एंड नेक्स्ट b सिंगल है, तो वी राइट b raised to power 1. ठीक है, अब इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. हेयर माइनस प्लस माइनस साइन, 1 है यहाँ पे 3 है, तो माइनस 3 लिखेंगे. a raised to power 1, a raised to power 3, तो a raised to power 4 हो जाएगा. पावर ऐड हो जाएंगी, लाइक टर्म है, b raised to power 4 एंड हेयर b raised to power 1, तो b raised to power 5 हो जाएगा. c raised to power 1, c raised to power 4, so c raised to power 1 और 4, 5. so this is the answer. डायरेक्ट लिख दिया मैंने, ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया, बट आपको समझ आ गया होगा ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 17. So in this questions for 3 terms, so we multiply first 2. so दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं, तो भी पॉजिटिव साइन आएगा यहाँ पे, और कांस्टेंट नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 4/3 इंटू 1/3. ओके, लाइक टर्म हेयर x स्क्वायर एंड हेयर x raised to power 1, so x स्क्वायर इंटू x मल्टीप्लाई किया. ठीक है, y एंड y स्क्वायर, so we write y इंटू y स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट कौन सी है यहाँ पे, z raised to power 1 एंड हेयर z raised to power 1, so we multiply z इंटू z. ओके, सो इन दोनों का आंसर पहले देख लेते हैं क्या आ रहा है आपका. ये आपका आ जाएगा 4/9, हेयर x raised to power 3, y raised to power 3 एंड z raised to power 2. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है थर्ड वन, -6 एंड x y z के साथ. सो सबसे पहले साइन हेयर प्लस माइनस माइनस साइन आएगा, सो वी राइट हेयर द आंसर negative sign, then 4/9 multiply with 6, then x3 multiply with x raised to power 1, and then y raised to power 3 multiply with y raised to power 1, and z square is multiply with z square. okay, so ये cancel हो जाएगा आपका, 6 4 is 24. so we write the answers of this one question is -24/9, and x raised to power 4, y raised to power 4, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 हो जाएगी इसकी भी 1, z raised to power भी आपका आ जाएगा 4. तो ये आंसर है. इसको अगर आप कैंसिल करना चाहें तो 3 3 are 9, 8 3 are 24. ठीक है, तो ये आ जाएगा -8/3, x raised to power 4, y raised to power 4 and z raised to power 4. This is also the answer of the 17 questions. So note on this. Number 18, which is multiply this -2/3 a square b into 6/5 a cube b square and verify the result at a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन दोनों को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड फिर वेरीफाई करना है रिजल्ट, a की वैल्यू 2 एंड b की वैल्यू 3 पुट करके. सो देखिए इसका सॉल्यूशन कैसे आएगा इस क्वेश्चन का. First we multiply this one and this, so we write -2/3 a square b, this is multiplied with 6/5 a cube b square. okay, so इन दोनों को पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना है. so how we multiply this, same method. First we multiply sign, here the minus sign, here the plus sign, so plus minus is minus here, then we multiply for the constant term, the 2/3 into here the 6/5. okay, now here the variable is a, here the a, so a square and a cube is multiplied, a square into a cube is multiplied, so there are like terms, here the b raised to power 1 and here the b raised to power 2 is multiplied. okay, so answer is this 3 to the 6, so 2 to the 4, so -4/5, here a raised to power 5 and here b raised to power 3 is left. so this is the answer when we multiply both the terms. Now we verify the result. so how we verify? So verifying at A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the left hand side of this question. This is given, so we put in left hand side the values of A is 2 and B is 3. So here this is the left hand side and I am putting the values of A is 2 and B is 3 here. This is the left hand side. This left hand side and that is the right hand side. This is the answers, and we prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we put the values of A is 2. So this is minus 2 by 3 into A. A means 2, so we put 2 raised to power 2 into B is 3. Okay, so here we put the values of A is 2 and B is 3. In next 6 by 5, here the A value we put 2 raised to power 3 into B is 3. So 3 raised to power 2 is here. Okay, so now we calculate what is the answer of this one. So here minus 2 by 3 into 2 to the 4 into 3 raised by 1. Okay, and here 6 by 5 into here 8 by 1 is 9 by 1. So now all values in multiplication form. So what we cut, the 3 cutting, and यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं कट रहा है. Okay, so now numerator multiply, denominator multiply कर देना आपने. ठीक है. So what the answer will be? The answer will be 4 to the 8, 8 6 the 48, 48 into 48 into 8, 48 into 8 करते हैं पहले. 4 6 38. Okay, this 4 to the 8, 8 6 the 48, 48 8 the 384, 384 into 9, 6 3 carry, 72 plus 3 75, 7 9 3 the 27, 27 plus 7 34. So 3 4 5 6 in numerator. Okay, numerator is 3 4 5 6. Divide with 5 into 5 1. So 5 is numerator. This is the left hand side. So now we put the values of A and B in the this right hand side. If the left hand side is equal to right hand side, then we verify the result is true. Okay, so now the right hand side is minus 4 by 5 A5 B3. So we have to put the value minus 4 by 5. Okay, sorry, here the negative sign is also take, because यहाँ पे एक नेगेटिव है और कहीं भी नेगेटिव नहीं है, तो नेगेटिव साइन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में यहाँ पे आएगा. ठीक है, so we write minus 3 4 5 6 upon 5. This is the right hand side, sorry, left hand side. And at 4 by 5, then A raised to power A we put 2 raised to power 5 into B is 3, the 3 raised to power 3. So minus 4 by 5. So what is the 2 raised to power 5 is, I think 32 होता है. लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पे. 5 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई 2 1 2 3 4 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 4 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So 32 is 2 raised to power 5, and 3 raised to power 3 is 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Okay, so what is in numerator? The numerator number is minus 4 into 32 into 27 upon 5. So now we multiply 32 first with 4. So 32 into 4 is 4 to the 8. This is 12, 128. So now 128 is multiplied with 27. 56, 5, 14 plus 5 is 19, 1, then 8, 8 to the 16, 1, 2 to the 4 is 5, 2 1 the 2, 6, 15, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in numerator we get minus 3, 4, 5, 6 upon 5. So this is the right hand side. So we hence we prove the left hand side is equal to right hand side.